Enough. A quick tour. As you can see, it's empty. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo Barnett. Guys, we're starting a new makeover here in my house. So we're finally going to give my living room a new look, featuring new furniture, decor and more. And we're going to start with a new sleek couch. Get ready for before and after review like no other. So right now I'm heading to Kubo Furniture to scout for one of the best furniture makers. So I want you guys to join me. Let's go. A quick tour of the living room before stepping out. The sofa is out, so I'll be showing you how I transform my small space living room into a cozy and inviting area. Come hold this.
You see this one now?
Which one is this one?
See this one?
There are two different.
So, this one D25.
I don't know the differences. D25 and which one?
This one D30.
Okay, they're more. And this one just the kakaraka is strong and any little thing go today. So I'll get more talk now.
That single, like this single.
This single. I better bring down close, no see. This one and this single. Don't start.
No, yeah. The material
which material? Show me the material we want use.
I don't be showing for you because if you choose anyone for here now before now you don't finish.
Yeah, one material I see you used last time, but
okay.
I don't want green. You know, say this thing either white or this red color or white. This is the material we finally settled for the couch. Check. So I'm visiting the furniture maker now to make sure everything is on track for the perfect living room centerpiece. Join me, guys. I'm extremely disappointed at the furniture maker who failed to deliver on his promise. Although I'm still here waiting. This one a bed now. Where is bed frame? No. Oh, that's good. See the furniture maker that disappointed me today. I'm so mad at him right now. Look, I don't hide your face. Why are you hiding your face? Finally. All right now. Yeah, good evening. So finally I'm leaving. I'll be back here to check on the progress
I'm extremely disappointed, but there's nothing one can do. I just have to be patient and wait till tomorrow to see the outcome of the couch. At least they've started with the skeleton, so hopefully we'll get to the final stage tomorrow. So I'll keep you guys posted.
On getting here today, I was met with the same situation I had with him the last time. Then I lost it and I shouted for goodness sake, relieving me so frustrated. So guys, I'm leaving now. So he promised to deliver on Monday. So I just hope there will be no issue that Monday by the time I return back here. Despite the fact that this man is talented, but his problem is inconsistency and is unreliable. That is the problem. He never keep to time. Time to time again, he never keep to his promise. He always fail to deliver. Unprofessional. You better work on it because it will make you lose customers.